the sea? Why does 1 and 2 make 3? Why does F come after E? Like you because I do. Why are apples colored green? Why is tinsel sparkling? Why is snow what winters bring? Like you because I do. How many stones in the street? How much of real is on the sea? How many reasons why anything with you? Why do stars shine at night? Why do mosquitoes bite? Why does the sunlight stare so bright? Like you because I do. Why build castles in the sand? Why do lovers hold hands? Why draw a circle round again? Like you because I do. How many waves in the sea? How many dreams can there